My name is Tatiana Vinogradova. I'm a senior research scientist at Northrop Grumman Space Systems. I've done several things in this quite amazing space corporation, and one of the projects is the space observation of the Arctic area. So one of the challenges is what are the best sensors to observe the area, which is very far and untouchable almost like by people from space, right? And there are several sensors in space which helps to look at the ice formation and ice movement. And one of the areas I'm very interested, how to fuse data from different sensors to get the better result in the ice observation. So when I support operational mission, right, my days in life are very special because usually if I support, let's say, calibration on orbit, right, these long, exciting, and I spend them in the control center, right? When I look at the data and I try to understand that, I truly understand everything what's going on with the mission. I know what the next step, I know what data are showing me, right? And it's a lot of surprises, which is part of the challenge, but also part of the beauty. So when I work just on my research project and I design a future mission, let's say, my day in life are slightly different. That's my fantasy, my knowledge. I am trying to envision how the mission will look and what does it need to achieve. So that's kind of on the dream side. But my day in life operationally are just hands-on, and to tell you the truth, they are my favorite. Supporting the real missions are my favorite. I think the biggest inspiration is coming back to my high school, actually. And you know, I was educated in Europe, and I went to the school which was very serious and heavy on mathematics. And it was a teacher who actually was a figure of inspiration. And I truly believe that if he would teach maybe literature, maybe I would be writing the books. But he was the teacher of mathematics, and we had about 4 hours of mathematics per day, and which was very, hard. But on top of that, all the time, we were able to have a discussion about many things in life. And for me, being like 14, 15, and 16, right, he was like really inspirational figure of beauty of science, of ethic in science, of how hard and elegant could it be. And so I believe I knew at the time that, science will be my thing. Dream big. Just start dreaming big, because that is the first brave step you're taking, right? So I want to dream big and achieve that, and I think just don't be afraid to do that. It's a combination of many things, and one thing's number one, it's a hard work, because science is a hard work. But I also believe because of this hard work and fundamentals and foundation like physics and mathematics, right? And it's very multidisciplinary, right? So including the literature, because someone could write about space. So dream big, don't be afraid of the hard work. And another thing is just find the people who will encourage you, the mentor on your way, right? Who will support you when you fly or fall. So the people who inspire you will be with you all the time. So my mentors and teachers are with me like all the time.